gotta pull that. Pull that. Take your seatbelt. Yeah, stand up. Pull it down. Pull this piece down. Pull it down. And then turn it. Pull it and turn it like that. Turn it some more. Turn it. Like that. Boom. All right, let it go. Now put it back. Turn it back. Yeah, turn it back like that. And put it, yeah. Now hit that button right here. No, oh, there you go.
Bah, it left the window down.
You gotta hit it again. Hold it.
This one?
Yeah, hit it. Hold it. You gotta hold it.
Two buttons.
Hold it, yeah. No, hit it, and hold it down. Press it and hold it. Hold it. You gotta hit it. Yeah. Yeah, Jable. There you go. Good job. Yep. Just about to do this right quick. Homie that came and picked up the box on 34s. 5-0 dropped this off. Unexpected. No, it wasn't unexpected though. But he wanted me to have it done. A certain time I couldn't do it. Had so much going on with the shizop, but it just came in for maintenance, man. Did this lift in 2018. And it's 2025. So I just show you how long this lift lasted. It's still rideable, but it's just, you know, shocks, struts messed up, you know, blowed out, whatever. I gotta think 7 years. So now we can probably get this mud back together. Redo all the suspension, make sure all the other parts, tie rods and all that stuff good or not. See what's going on with everything else and get this mud right back out the shop. Another one from Detroit, well, from Cleveland to Detroit. Back to Cleveland, going back to Detroit. 32s, dubs. You got the Camaro done. It was, like I said, it only came in just to get maintenance, you know. Over time, you know, struts go bad, stuff like that. And that's what it was with this one. I did this car in 2017 or 18. I think it was 2017. And it's been riding on the same list since 2017. Somebody did something to one of these old springs though. This spring was loose on this one, so somebody did something on that. But yeah, 2017, 2018. So 7-8 years ago, I did this lift and it's just coming in for regular maintenance. And the struts wasn't even 100% bad. So got them all brand new all the way around, modified. Need some stabilizer pins still, but that's pretty much that. So just gonna do the pull-out video. Like I said, it was just a quick job, just some regular maintenance for the homie Ivo girl. So extra. So we're just gonna go ahead and do a little pull-out. See what it's looking like all over again. Matter of fact, take it this way. Yeah. Yep, so we're gonna do the pull-out. in 2012 in my backyard. I seen it last year at the gas station. That's how long this stuff be lasting. So if you do it right the first time, you really ain't got to get it done again. But you know, regular maintenance stuff, parts get bad, go bad, whatever. And that's what we just had to change on this. It's regular routine, regular everyday type of stuff. It's just custom because it's 32. But now you ready to go back to the D, man. That's another one out the door. Yep, on the way back to the D, my homie Ivo pulled up, come and get it. Got his girl together. 32s, man, 7-year lift. First time ever getting maintenance. Car ain't never had no other work besides what I did. And shoot, we just came for a maintenance job. It's good to go, test driven. And it feel comfortable, it feel good. Don't even feel like you're riding on no 32s. You know you're on rims, but it don't feel all crazy and hard and retarded. You got full turn. It is what it is, man. Another one for the books. Spin these floats again. These back spinners don't never stop spinning, boy. Them must spin for days. Go bottles. No problem. Yeah. So yeah, man, he on his way out the door, man. Even got floats on the truck. Spinners on the truck. I say off to the next one, man. About to finish this dunk on these 8s. Then it's about to be a Yukon on 34s. The legend. Yep. On his way out the door, man. Yep. CAMARO, gone.